Welcome to our tutorial on how to export your contacts on Facebook. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. This is where you'll begin the process of exporting your contacts. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options for you to navigate. Step 3. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. This will lead you to the Settings menu where you can manage your account preferences. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Your Information section. Tap on Download Your Information to initiate the export process. Step 5. Tap on Download Transfer Information to proceed with exporting your data. Step 6. Press Next and then select the specific types of information you want to download. Be sure to include your contacts in this selection. Step 7. Select the data you wish to download, including your contacts, and tap Next to continue. Step 8. Choose Download to Device to save the exported file directly on your Android device. Step 9. Create the file and wait for the download to complete. Once it's ready, you'll have successfully exported your contacts from Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily back up your contacts and ensure that your important connections are safe and accessible whenever you need them. Happy exporting!